Letter. Write a letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. Examination Hall, CD A.B.C. February 11, 2024. Dear Father, from brother's letter, I have come to know that mother is suffering from high blood pressure. I am really worried about her. I hope that she is taking precautionary measures to bring it to normal. Please ask her to take her medicine regularly and also inform me about her present condition as early as possible. Anxiously waiting for your reply. Yours affectionately, XYZ.